Good morning, students. Today I'm going to do with you some question answers. We will solve together. Okay. Some questions of English one. So take your total English book. Open the book. Page number 9. Assignment written here. Okay. Page number 9. Rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each without changing their meaning. So, we have done lots of interchange of sentences and their rules, such as interchange of sentences of negative to positive, degrees of comparison, exclamatory and assertive sentence, interrogative to assertive sentence. So all these kinds of things we have done with, and we have learned the rules how to do all these things. Okay, we have also done the voice change and narrations. So when the questions will come in your exam, it will be in this form. This form is called do as directed. Okay, and this do and directed form, you will get several kinds of transformation of sentences. So we need to do a lot of practice for that. So that is why I have decided today to do some question answers with you. Okay, so let's start. First one, number 1, it always pours when it rains. Now I'm going to tell one thing to you, that first of all we have to understand the meaning of the sentence. The sentence which is given to you, you have to understand the meaning at first, and then you have to transform the sentences according it is according it is directed. So, and one more thing, that you can't change the meaning of the given sentence, right? Now the sentence is it always pours when it rains. So what is the meaning of this sentence? The meaning is it always pours. That means pours means heavy rainfall when it rains. That means when it rains for a particular place or such a place. So there, when it rains, it always rains heavily. Pouring means कुछ डालना. So you have directed to do it. It never rains. So we can't change the meaning now. So that is why the answer will be it never rains without pouring. Why we have done it like this? Because it is a negative word, never, and without, it is also negative. It is also the opposite meaning. It always pours without pouring. So pours and without pouring, these two conceptions are contradictory. Okay, so here a negative word has been used, and here the contradictory idea of pours we used. That is why two negative things makes it positive. That it never rains without pouring. The meaning is it always pours when it rains. So we didn't change the meaning here. Right, you got the answer. Now come to the next one. We shall never see his like again. We shall never see his like again. So his like again. So the answer will be shall we ever see his like again? Shall we ever see his like again? So the answer will come in no. We shall never see his like again. Right? Now the next one. Her beauty is beyond praise. Her beauty is beyond praised. So here the direction is given, be praised. Her beauty is beyond praised. So the answer will be praised or beyond praised. That means we have to use something Negative here, negative and beyond, that means it will be positive here. Beyond praise, be praised. Her beauty her beauty is good to be praised. Okay, so the next one, no other game is as popular as cricket in India. Use the word most popular. So here the positive degree has been given, popular, and we have to use the superlative degree, most popular. No other game is as popular as cricket in India. That means cricket is the most popular game in India. So cricket is the most popular game in India. Okay, you complete the writing. Now come to the next one. He is too ill to come to school. So we have done it, the direction is given here, he is so ill. So he is too ill to come to school. That means he was so ill that he was not able to come to school. So we have to do like this. He is so ill that we have to look for the tense. Here present tense is used. That is why we will use here can. If it is given in past tense, then it will be could. He is so ill that he cannot come to school. Next one, I am too tired to walk any farther. I am too tired to walk any farther. So it is also TOO, removing TOO. Cannot walk any farther. You have to end with that. So I am so tired that. So that. If we want to remove TOO, then we have to use so that. Okay.
I cannot walk anymore.
I am so tired that I cannot walk any further. Sorry, I will be there. Okay. So it is a horrible night. It's a statement. Assertive sentence is a statement. And look, here the end is given as exclamatory. So we have to make it an exclamatory sentence. It is a horrible night. So what a horrible night. Is given here. Sorry. What a horrible night. Okay. So only what. Next, time is so precious that it cannot be wasted. Time is so precious that it cannot be wasted. So look here, so that is used here. So we can use TOO here. Time is too precious to be wasted, right? There is nothing brighter than hope. Is there. We have to begin with is there. So whenever a beaver is at the beginning of the sentence, that means it will be a question. It will be an interrogative sentence. So is there anything? Nothing has been used here. That is why we are using here anything. Is there anything brighter than hope? Question mark. Then the answer will come, there is nothing brighter than. Now the next one, I wish I had the wings of a dove. We have ended here the wings of a dove, exclamatory one. Okay, we have to make it an exclamatory one. Alas, alas, I wish to have, alas, sorry, I'm extremely sorry, alas, if I had, the is, oh sorry, the is written here. Alas, we have to use a exclamatory word here. Alas, if I had the wings of a dove. Okay, alas, if I had the wings of a dove. Next one, no sooner did the bell ring than the students rushed out of the classroom. So no sooner, we have to begin with as soon as. No sooner did the bell ring than the students rushed out of the classroom. As soon as the bell rang, as soon as the bell rang, the students, then the remaining part of the sentence, the students rushed out of the classroom. Okay, now come to the next one. Only a film star can afford to live such a luxurious life. No one, we have to begin with no one, and remember we cannot change the meaning of the sentence. So no one except a film star can afford to live such a luxurious life. The remaining part. Okay, very few Indians are as rich as Azim Premji. That means Azim Premji is the most rich person. Use the word richer instead of rich. That means here positive degree has been used and we have to make it a comparative one. Okay, so very few Indians are as rich as Azim Premji. So very few Indians are as rich as Azim Premji. Azim Premji is richer than many other Indians. Okay, the brave alone deserve the fair. None other than the brave. None other than the brave. That means the brave only. None other than the brave. That means the brave only. None other than the brave deserve the fair. Okay. Next, as soon as he saw the lion, he climbed up a tree. No sooner did he see the lion, then the rest of the part, he climbed up a tree. Okay. Now the next one. The fan is so heavy that I cannot lift it. Look here, so and that. Then if there is so and that, then we can use TW here. The fan is too heavy to lift by me. I is given here, that is why this fan is too heavy to lift by me. Okay, so we have done all these things here today, and you have to practice a lot. And if you got any other things in any other books, like the 10 years or the previous 10 years, you can do it as your practice work. Okay, so thank you.